All right, so this is a massive problem for me when I'm off-roading. You see the belts back there. You see the end just hanging there. Here, hard plastic. And it just if you spend a bunch of time off-roading or driving around with your top off, you know that can drive you crazy. What I found for this is on Amazon, I found these seatbelt retainers, which is really great because what's cool about them is you can see, you can slide the belt in there, and then you can actually clip it in there, which is really nice. And they have the retainer tape on the back. So I'm going to install these and show you how to do it. Pretty simple. Going to be a quick video, but really, really great product for super cheap. I think these were like $9, something like that on Amazon. I'll put the link in the video description so you can see it. Worth every dollar because the competing products that I've seen from specific Bronco providers and other people are like $25, $30. Basically 3D printed versions of this. These are strong, durable ABS plastic, molded, not 3D printed. So they have a really nice finish. This company also has a carbon fiber pattern. It's not actually carbon fiber. It just looks like carbon fiber. Worth checking out as well, but let me throw one of these in. I've gotten isopropyl alcohol pad here. You can use, a bottle of isopropyl alcohol. Probably got something like that in your medicine chest. And if you don't, isopropyl alcohol is good to get because you want to make sure that this area is really clean so you can get that 3M adhesive to stick on the back. So I'm going to put mine right here where the seatbelt just naturally lays, where the clip lines up. And so I'm just going to clean this off really good. And you can see, kind of dirty. And then we're going to let that dry. And then we'll put the clip in. I've taken the adhesive off the back. This stuff's incredibly sticky. It's really important that you line it up so the open end, see this end's closed. This end's open. So the open end is facing the front of the vehicle. That way you can just pull your seatbelt out and slide it in. So I've only got one hand. I'm going to slide this on and then I'll show you how it all goes together. All right, so here you can see it in place. That's it attached. So it's really simple. You just pull it up and slide it out. So again, that's what it looks like attached. You can see looks really good, looks factory, which is really nice. And then when you want to put it in, you just simply slide it into the sleeve. There's the little slot. It'll keep that from rattling while we're off-roading. So quick video today. Good one though. This has been driving me crazy for a long time. Pick these up on Amazon. Super cheap purchase, really easy to install, and will make a world of difference if you're off-roading or if you're driving around with your top off. So thanks. I hope that helps. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Let me know in the comments if this helped you or if you have a better solution. I'm always open to seeing if there's something better out there. Yeah, I did put the link for purchase on Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. Do make a really small commission. I think it's like 3%. This is like $9, so it's not a lot of money, but helps the channel, helps me continue to do this and buy more products, and kind of just helps the channel out. So thanks so much. Do appreciate you.